Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Familiarize, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, especially the new ones. So you're welcome, and please stay and share the good news to your friends. Yeah, so on this platform, we also talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency, through investments, through stock trading, and a lot. So today, I want to show you how you can buy your USDT at a lower rate and sell it at a higher rate on Binance P2P, and when to buy it and when to sell it. Yeah. So this week I've done videos about Binance that this week is the best week for you to buy your USDT. Yeah, if you want to buy your USDT, this week is the best week to buy it. Yeah. So let me prove to you. Yeah. So recently, so today, I've bought 181 USDT. I've bought 131 USDT. 131 USDT. And let me show you the reason why I bought this thing. So tomorrow, to when the rate is cool, I'll buy another 100 USDT. That's how I do it. So this is how I study the market. So first of all, let me go to my trade and choose P2P. Watch it very carefully. Last week, the rate of USDT was 13.89. It even reached 14 USDT, 14 Ghana cedis. As a dear user, a reminder of our terms of use: avoid trading non and may lead to account. I don't know the reason why. Yeah, so like when I come to my buy, so my buy, I will choose my currency. That's cities or Ghana. Yeah, J cities. That's my currency. Yeah. So when I come to the buy, you see the buy right now. If you want to buy one USDT, you have to spend 13.56 Ghana cedis. And the reason why I said today is the best day for you to buy is that, let's assume 15 minus 13.56, 1.44 Ghana cedis per one USDT is your profit. The reason why I'm saying that. If I buy this USDT at 13.56, and let's say some days to come it shoot to 14 or 15, I'm cashing out a big time. But when this rate is 13.89 or 14, that one I will not advise you to what, to buy the USDT. But in this case, this month, it the rate shoots to 14, 13.89, 13.79, and right now it has come to 13.56. So probability for it to go up again is high. So so you can choose to buy your USDT now with this rate. Let's say this rate 13.55. Then if it shoots to top like let's say to 14 or 15 or even 13.9, 13.8, you are still in the profit section. And one thing about arbitrages, you have to invest a lot of money to get a lot of profit. Yeah. So I would say that it's best for you to buy the USDT right now. Yeah, it's best because if you buy it right now, and let me go to your sell. Right now, to me, I would say that the USDT, for me to sell my USDT right now, nah, it's not cool for me because like imagine I want to sell to this person at 13.57. I'm not getting any profits. So if I come to the sell, this is where you sell your USDT. If I come to here, this is your buy. Let me show you everything. This is your buy and this is your sell. You see, yeah. So if I want to buy my USDT, if I want to buy my USDT, I'll go here to buy it. If I want to sell it, I'll come here to sell it. Yeah. So in this case, I've I've buy USDT at the rate of for 13.56 and I'm selling it at 13.57. No, it's a no to me. That is why I say that today is the best day for you to buy it than for you to sell it. Okay, maybe you bought your own at 12 Ghana cedis. Then today is the best day to sell it. But you can wait for it to shoot up again for you to for you to sell it. But in this case, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you want to start your P2P arbitrage, you can just say that I want to buy the USDT or the cryptocurrency right now. So that you can buy it right now, and some time to come, you see that or some days to come, you see that it will shoot up for you to get enough profit from it. You see that for you to get enough profit from it. So that's how this thing works. Buy it at a lower rate, but the lower rate you have to use your mind to see that okay, this rate maybe sometime to come it will increase. And the reason why I'm saying that you have to buy it right now is that within this month it's have went to 14, 13.9 and 10 cents and it's have come back to 13.59. So going to 14 or 15 or 14 point something in next month is like it's easy for it to reach that level. That is why I'm saying that you have to buy it right now so that when the time catch, you will sell it and get profit from it. Yeah. So if you want to sell it, if you want to start and sell it, this is how you do it. So imagine I want to jump straight with a trade with this person. I'll just click on this sell, sell. And let me say something. So the person I chose received the money from Vodafone Cash. So if you don't have Vodafone Cash, you can't be in a trade with this person. So you have to choose the person that you have the same bank account with. So let's say you have Momo, I can say that okay, let me sell it to this person. And if you come here, you see that the amount is what 0.000. It means that the money in my wallet is not in my funding wallet. It's in what in my trust a sports wallet. So this is how you do it. You just click on the add funds and go to transfer, and you transfer the money from your sports wallet to your funding wallet. So this is the amount I have in my sports wallet. So I can say that I want to transfer 131, then confirm it, and it will be in my my funding wallet. But I don't want to trade right now. Should just show you know. So after doing that, then you click on sell USDT to initiate the trade with the person. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have to know the time you want to buy and the time you want to sell. You have to calculate everything. This is the best time to buy if you are new to cryptocurrency and you want to start your arbitrage journey, this is the best time to buy, because for it to go to 13.9 is easy. Is that then? So let's assume that you bought the USD at 13.556. Okay, let's say 13.56. 13.56, let's say minus 13.90. So you have 0.34, 0.34 pesos as interest from one USDT. So let's say 10,000 times 0.34. So investing 10,000 in that trade, you are cashing out 3,400 Ghana cedis as profits. You see, so the reason why I always say that don't wait for 13 to 10 14 before you do it, that 13.59, if it's like it's increase or it's rise to 14 USDT, you are still in the profit session. Or if it's rise to, let's say, 13.9 or 13.8, you are still in profit session. So let me do 13.8 for you to see. So 13.8 minus 13.57. So one USDT, if you sell it, let's say 13.8, you have 0.23 pesos as your profit. So 0.23 times 10,000 cities. You have 2,300 as your profit. 2,300 as a profit. It's like if you invested 10,000 Ghana cedis in it. So let's assume that you invested 100,000. 100,000 times 0.23. You have 23,000 Ghana cedis as profit. So let's assume you invested 1 million Ghana cedis in it times 0.23. You have 230,000 Ghana cedis as profit. If this if this if this shoots to 13 points, just 8, oh, just 8, just 8, just 8, just 80, you have 230,000 Ghana cedis for investing 1 million Ghana cedis in it. And you have 23,000 for investing 10,000 in it. And you have 230 cedis for investing 1,000 Ghana cedis in it. So it's not small money. You see that thing? So it's not small money. So this is how you calculate your profit on arbitrage and make sure that you are in the profit section or a profit zone. This is how you do it. You see that thing? Yeah. So I have my mentorship tool in the description in case you want to join my mentorship and cash out with me, or for me to be a mentor and teach you a lot about arbitrage. I have a course. I have a course for $10, just $10, just $10. Yeah, in my description. If you go to www.randalltechnology.com, you can book your class with me, or you can buy your course on the platform for just 10 USDT, and you will end up making profits or know much about when to sell and when to buy. The next remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe.